Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change default language Windows 11 laptop or PC. To start, open Settings from the Start menu. There, in the Time and Language section, click on Language and Region. You are going to click on Add a Language. Here, search for the desired language for the system. When doing so, click Next, and you can select some settings for this language. After that, click Install, and you will wait for this language and its components to be installed. When this process finishes, in Windows Display Language, choose this new language. In this window, scroll down a little to click on Administrative Language Settings. Click on the option Copy Settings. There you will see the new language, check the boxes, Welcome Screen, and New User Accounts. Click on OK, and as you see, you must restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When the system is restarted, you will see that from the beginning it will be in this new language, and when you access its entire menu, it will be. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.